In this video, we're going to showcase some creative projects that were built by our community for Burning Man. And that's awesome because I think MakerPipe and EMT Conduit are a great combination of materials to use for projects at Burning Man. You can make all kinds of creative stuff really easily, as we're going to look at in this video. First up, we've got these really clever solar panel mounts that were put together by Craig. And he said he already had these tents put up in place and they were already made out of EMT Conduit. Which is awesome because that's what our fittings that we designed so you can build stuff with the EMT Conduit are made for. So that was really cool. And so he already had these tents put up in place, but he wanted to add some solar panels to be able to have some power running inside of the tents. And so he used just a few MakerPipe connectors to make this happen. And it's really awesome. Essentially, he just used the MakerPipe T connector to grab onto the existing structure down here. And then that just grabs on, has a vertical piece of conduit going up. And you don't have to do any welding whenever you use MakerPipe and EMT Conduit. It's just a clamp-based connector system that allows you to put things together just using some simple hand tools like a rotating pipe and tube cutter and a 5mm hex wrench. And essentially here, this piece of conduit terminates in the bottom there, and then he uses another MakerPipe fitting, which is the MakerPipe coupling, along with the MakerPipe quick clamp to make this so he can easily adjust this, just flips open that quick clamp and then can rotate this piece of conduit around, which is really cool. And essentially there's another piece of conduit in the top half of that coupling that goes up and terminates up here. And then he's got the MakerPipe 45-degree connector, which is just angling the solar panel. And then he's got the MakerPipe flange bolted to the solar panel, and it just grabs onto a short stub coming out of the 45-degree connector there. So kind of a lot of connectors here close by, and pretty compact build, but it's really awesome and allows him to make these solar panel mounts, as you can see here, that are angled in different ways, and they can easily be adjusted towards the sun throughout the event. And just as the sun moves, so can the solar panels. That's really awesome and a really creative project that Craig put together. So thanks so much for sharing that. Next up is something really unique. This is a trike canopy that Trixie and Steven put together to stay cool while they were riding around on their really cool trike. And essentially they just bolted their EMT Conduit and MakerPipe frame. There they are enjoying it. And you can see here they just bolted their MakerPipe and Conduit frame to the trike here in a couple different ways. And I guess we don't really see exactly how they did that. A lot of times what we'll see people do is if the tubes of their bike or whatever it is are a similar diameter to the EMT Conduit, then they can just use connectors and grab onto it directly. I don't think that's what they did here. They probably used something like the threaded pipe inserts that we sell, something like that, to be able to add a bolt or a mount from the frame of the trike to the EMT Conduit. But essentially it's just 4 verticals that go up and create this rectangular shade structure that has some bracing with some T connectors going across there. I would imagine it's T connectors at the very top up there as well to make that. And then they've got some lights secured to the frame, and it looks fantastic. And then as we can see, it's keeping Trixie there nice and cool as she rides around on the trike. So really cool project and a really creative one, especially if you're riding around on the trike and you throughout the event and you want to stay cool because it's going to get really hot. This is a really good way to do that, and not too expensive. Just some EMT Conduit, some fittings, and then some shade cloth. So really awesome. Thanks so much, guys, for sharing that. Next up is something similar in terms of it's a build on wheels, but this is not a canopy. This is a mutant vehicle that Joe put together, and this is really cool. We can see it's a similar kind of 2-person pedal-powered vehicle here, and essentially they just built this massive EMT Conduit frame that is bolted to the existing frame of the vehicle there, and then essentially they just built this big box around it, and then they secured their foam panels and actually those are wood panels to the framework to make this mutant vehicle that looks really cool. It's got headlights on it, and it's just a really creative project. And they used a ton of different MakerPipe connectors. We can see 90-degree connectors in there. We can see T connectors, and it looks like that they're utilizing the shims that we sell that you can use our 3/4-inch connectors with 1/2-inch EMT Conduit. You just snap those on and you can build some lighter duty projects, and that's what they did here. And it's just a really awesome project, ton of different connections like I said, and is just creating this framework. There's some close-ups of the frame, and then they've got the outer panels of this mutant secured to it, and it looks fantastic. And like I said, it's a great example of someone using conduit and connectors for something really creative for Burning Man. So thanks so much, Joe, for sharing this. We love seeing it. Next up is a build from Mr. M, and this is more practical, but it's just as creative as all the other ones we've looked at so far. And this is meant to be a misting cart that you can use to cool off as you're walking around Burning Man. And this is really cool, kind of a standard frame that we'll see a lot, where it's got the 90-degree connectors in the corners, to make a cube shape, and it's got a bunch of those just to make this rectangular box here. It's got casters on the bottom so this can roll, and essentially it's just a 3-tiered shelf that has a hinging side that you can essentially create this cart with the different shelves on. And then on the side here, we can see this shelf has hinges so that this can rotate. And this is a really cool project, and it's really creative because he actually bolted a full misting setup to this, as we can see here in this video, which is really cool. Here it is in action, where he's got a whole apparatus attached to this, and it turns it into a mister that he can use to cool off. And it's just a really awesome idea and a really great thing, really practical, but really creative to be able to make this. And I think this could be useful for camping and all kinds of wild stuff. But just a really cool project. All of these are really awesome. Thanks so much to everybody for sharing these. Like I said, I think EMT Conduit and MakerPipe is a great combination for your Burning Man builds, and these builds are great examples of that. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.